For mains, it's a different ball game. There are, apart from the basic books, so you need to have a command over the basic books by that time, because you'll have revised it at least 3 times for your prelims, which is very, very necessary. Revision is something, again, which I'll again and again remind you, because it's one of the most hard, like it's the hardest thing to do. Once you've read it, there's a sort of inertia which comes. You don't want to look at that same book again. You feel it's already done, but you need to pick it up. You need to pick it up as soon as possible, and then later on as well. So multiple revisions are the only way in which you can actually make things remain in your head. For mains, apart from all of this, looking at the previous year syllabus is very, very important, and looking at previous year question papers is very, very important. So what I would suggest is, if you're, say, looking at geography, or if you're looking at environment, you would have your class notes with you, right? So you would have your class notes with you, you have your basic books with you. Before you start again revising or start preparing, just go through the syllabus of that particular geography unit. Or for example, say social issues unit, there's an issue called, I think, women's issues or population. There are certain keywords which are mentioned there. So while you're going through that material, focus on those keywords again, and then look at the previous year question papers as well, and after that come back to study. So you'll be studying the same thing, but your orientation and in your mind, you'll be like, acha, this is some question which came, this is some question which may come in the future. So there's a trend you can analyze and then prepare accordingly. So that, I think, was important for me in terms of keeping the syllabus in mind and then reading your static material. As a corollary to that, and that is what Sir was also saying in terms of how to integrate your class notes with the preparation and with current affairs. So after you've done the basic preparation, when you're going through current affairs, and I personally, the newspaper was a very important part of my preparation. I used to read the Hindu early on. Towards the end, I started reading the Indian Express also. I've heard that, and I think there are editorial in terms of analysis on the site of Vajiram. So that also you can go through. But I think there's no substitute to reading the paper. So read the analysis, but also develop a habit of reading the paper as well.
For watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.